Well folks, today I'm going to share 3 important tips for you to remove your tartar. Guys, I am making this video for those who have bad breath, for those who have tartar. This video, it's so short. The first one is here with tea tree oil, 50 ml of tea tree water. I already have several videos about this. It helps to kill the plaque. Also, tartar bacteria and karyogenic bacteria need a little salt in the composition for the tea tree oil to dissolve in water. There you go. You mix a little salt with water. You cannot ingest it, folks. Now let's go to the second tip. It's with
apple cider vinegar.
Many people know its properties. It's also a great tartar reducer. It really removes it. Okay? For those who are concerned, it's just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 150 milliliters of water. So it's not very concentrated. On the contrary, very little concentrated. But it's enough for you to remove your tartar with a toothbrush. And now the third tip, which I know many people don't know, is just a little water. 2% chlorhexidine is an aqueous solution. 50 ml of water for 2% chlorhexidine, okay? It cannot be ingested. I will show how these super tips work, folks. So the dental floss is double in 2. And then first you try with 1 tip, then you can follow with the second tip, with the third tip. Well, you don't need to do all the tips at the same time. This is for sometimes the person already has it at home, okay? There is the representation. You will pass the dental floss that is already soaked with the solution of your choice. In this case, the first is tea tree oil. Now,
apple cider vinegar.
See that you will remove it more easily. Now, the last tip is with chlorhexidine, right? 2% dissolved in water. It has a bit of a strong taste, doesn't it? Very tangible, but its efficiency is very great, and you should do this only while you have tartar. Once the tartar is removed, do not use chlorhexidine as this situation of removing all the tartar can occur in 1 session, or you may have to repeat it for 10 to 15 days, but it is very clean, very nice. You know you don't have tartar when there is no more blood. Use the proof and leave a comment here about what you think. A hug for you and see you next time.